you can fix call ended problem on your iPhone. Now whenever you try to call someone, it just says call ended and you cannot call anyone. So in today's video, I'll help you guys fix that problem. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is check if your phone is on airplane mode. Make sure that it's not on airplane mode, so just turn it off if it's on. And after you do that, what you'll want to do is just try and call again. And if the error persists and if it's still there, just go to your settings, scroll down, go to general. Now you'll have to just scroll down and find transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on it, and when you're on transfer or reset iPhone, just tap on reset, and there you will see reset network settings. Just tap on reset network settings and you'll have to type in your phone's password. Now after you type in your phone's password, your iPhone will restart and your network problems will get fixed. So yeah, that is basically how you fix the problem, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.